Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's time to show you guys how I painted my last painting, which is called Fruit Head. And I'm also going to talk about how you should reduce your self-doubt as an artist and how to be more confident about your artwork. So let's get started. Self-doubt is constantly lurking in the background, but you have to find ways to silence self-doubt by living in the moment and understanding that it is the journey, not the end result, that counts. We always compare our work with others. We must use other artists' work as inspiration, but never compare yourself to them. For artists, self-doubt often comes in a form of telling yourself that you're not good enough or that you will never be as good as the artist you look up to. But we don't need to be as good as them. We just have to be better than we were yesterday. Every one of us is different. We all have different levels of expertise depending on the amount of time we have been at it. Different likes and dislikes, strengths and weakness, and have lived totally different life situations. No matter how much you try, your artwork will never look 100% like somebody else's, and you shouldn't want it to look like in that way. The only thing you should be focusing on is developing your own skills and style.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time moves on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile.
Sometimes we have self-doubt when using reference picture for our art. We think it will make us less creative, but there is nothing wrong in using reference picture because I feel every professional artist, they have any type of reference. They don't just sit there and imagine things, they actually use some kind of reference that inspire their art and not just copying straight from the reference. So don't worry if you are someone who uses reference images, it doesn't make you less creative, so don't worry about that. Also, stop striving for perfection and be the curious explorer. As an artist, we should be striving for progress and not for perfection in our work. Sometimes fear of failure attacks before even starting a piece. As we stand in front of empty canvas or paper, totally intimidated by the blankness. Or maybe we begin an artwork happy and confident, but tends to become more frustrated with ourselves after making few mistakes. Don't think too much about perfection, just enjoy the process.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color.
take criticism constructively. As artists, we simply have to learn to take criticism. This can be very hard because art is so personal and it takes lots of energy to create. Harsh criticism can be hurtful and discouraging no matter what point an artist is at. It's therefore we must be positive in order to move forward. Not everyone will like you or what you do. Also, it's not your job to make everyone like you. In same way, learn to accept people's praise. Be proud of how far you have come and thank them for admiring your work. Have faith in your creativity. No matter if you are a skilled artist or just a beginner artist, self-doubt can endanger your creativity at any moment. So it's important to have faith and confidence in order to survive as an artist. It's okay to be flawed and messed up things sometimes. Not every successful artist was perfectionist from the beginning. It is just that they kept the faith in their art and keep moving and reach to the top. Build some good habits to become a successful artist. If you are so much addicted with your social media and browsing internet, at the end of the day, you may feel like you totally have wasted your precious time and you are not being productive enough. So take this advice from me. Make your art your priority. To be successful as an artist, balancing is everything. Create a to-do list at every morning and stick to it. Try to achieve all the tasks one by one. In between each task, don't forget to give yourself small breaks in which you can browse your internet and have a cup of tea. But make sure when you're using your social media, use it for promoting your artwork or watch a satisfying painting video on YouTube, which will relax you and also keep you motivated for rest of the day. Make sure you paint or draw something daily. Even on your art block days, try to paint a small piece or just a doodle, but be productive in all the days. Keep learning and educate yourself. It's essential for any artist to keep learning and experimenting with different art forms and art styles. Be open for learning something new every day. And nowadays, it is so much easier for us to learn from the internet. See different ideas online, watch a painting tutorial on YouTube, and when you learn something new, bring all this knowledge into reality by applying it on your artwork. Evolve your artwork into a masterpiece. Hope you guys find this video helpful for reducing your self-doubt as an artist. So be proud of your each artwork and see how far you have come, and there is long way to go further. Have less stress about end result and enjoy the process. Be happy and have fun with your art. Tell me how do you feel about this video in comment box. Give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such artsy videos. Have a lovely day guys, and I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.